Okay, back again here with another set of architectural sketches, floor plans that I've done. First one is this one right over here. It's a floor plan of a small office. See that hallway and rooming the doors. Door here, this side right over here. See that? Okay. It didn't turn out very well. Now the second one I'm going to show you, one of a hotel. Some bedrooms, some rooms here and there, bed, and the hallway this way, and the windows on the side. So the second one I drew, and see here, doesn't quite match this one right over here, different from this one here. And finally, the third one I'm going to show you is one of the house. See, there's the door, and in front of the house is the window right there. And you got the window on the side there, and this is a bit of a room there to put some extra food in there. Packed stock extra food. There's a sofa and a TV, and the dining room table there, and the nook there, and the kitchen, and the back window there. You see here, it's a bit of a like a house. Now this is just the first floor. Now the basement and the second floor will be different, depending on how many stories the house has. See this floor plan right over here. Bring it up close here. So, those are my sketches for today, and I'll show you more in a future video. Take care.